today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and simple tomato salsa. Got some lovely crisps here, and all that's missing is the perfect dip. So firstly, you want to start with cucumber. That's probably enough. I'm going to cut it into slices and into strips like that. Try to keep it quite uniform. Right, now we've got into strips like that, we're just going to cut them into small squares, and then we're going to add that to our bowl. Next, we want our tomatoes, because of course it won't be tomato salsa without some tomatoes. I've got some little tomatoes, but you can do it big ones if that's what you've got. Just going to cut them into quarters. It knows I'm wearing white, it wants to get all over my top. Next up, we've got a bit of garlic. 1 clove would be enough. Crush it, makes it easier to peel. Just take all that skin off. Right, finally chop your garlic, and at the top of the knife, that rocking motion, and add that to your bowl. Normally I use coriander, but I haven't got any, so I'm going to use some flat leaf parsley instead. I'm going to finely chop it, leaves and stems, it's fine. Just a little bunch. It's going to add a lovely freshness to this salsa. And chuck that in. Get a lime, just roll it a little bit. This will help with the juices. And then we're just gonna cut it straight down the middle. Squeeze half a lime straight into your salsa. This will really flavour your tomatoes. Next, we want to go in with a little tablespoon of vinegar. You can use any vinegar you like. I've got apple cider vinegar, as it's very good for you. Go in with some pepper and a pinch of salt. Mix it well. And there we have our beautiful chunky salsa.